guys, today we are installing those ChargeSpeed side pieces that I have, finally to match that front ChargeSpeed lip. Now, the sides so far on the car, I absolutely love them. It flows so well. Definitely worth it to take the side skirt off. It would be very difficult and probably impossible to securely install them with the side skirt still on. However, when you take the side skirts off, you will pretty much break the clips. Everything that I looked online, everyone said you're just going to break them. However, no one said that the ones on the rear would be a pain in the ass and the side skirts won't pop back into place, and I found that out the hard way. And I will show you guys that here in a minute. So here's how they look like so far. I'll explain that blue painter's tape here in a second. But on this first clip, this is how they look mounted up right here. It's all fully bolted down, fully secured. And then I'm going to show you guys how to take the side skirt off real quick. But real quick, it actually looks kind of dope with no side skirt on, I'm not going to lie. I kind of like the look. Like, it looks mean, I don't know why. But there's all the clips you can see. So how the side skirt is held on is by two screws on front and back. Those little holes right there, I believe I show both of them. And I probably pointed this one as that bottom one. It's two Phillips screws on the side and then 7 bolts, I believe it was. 7 10 mil bolts. I point them all out right here. If you guys can't count, maybe I can't, but that's all it is to take the side skirt off, and then you just yank on them, yank towards you. Don't push down or pull up. Just pull straight out. And the only clips that more than likely will break are the ones here on towards the end, and you're about to see that here when I try to install these. So I'm getting them all popped in. I started with the middle to get it all lined up. Door open to make it easier. And here you can see this is where the issue is. Here on the rear, the clips are different, and I broke all of them, and they don't pop back into place, so the side skirt sticks out. I'm not really sure how to fix this yet. I believe I might have figured it out towards the end, but we'll find out here in a few more hours. But yeah, I'm just pretty much struggling at this point to get that rear on. Kind of upset about it, but you know, what are you gonna do? And here's how they look installed. The front half looks great, but that's that gap I'm talking about because of those clips. That the end, it just sticks out right here and can't push it in. So kind of annoying. I believe I may have found out a way to fix it. Like I said, I'll let you guys know later. But for now, this is how it's gonna be, and it kind of sucks because these side splitters look dope. And then here's the other side done. Again, same thing on the other side. The rear just doesn't want to pop back in because they're all broken. But you can see it looked sick. So at least there's that. And then here's just some shots when I got back to my apartment. There's the blue painter's tape. The reason for that is because I used JB Weld. I did it on the skirt and on the clips, pushed it all in, and used the painter's tape to hold it down. So we will see if it dries and holds. And if it doesn't, we'll have to figure something out. And of course, there's a lovely shot of some nasty curb rash I got right there. Probably going to get those wheels refinished here soon. You can still see the outline from my wrap. But yeah, the ChargeSpeed side pieces are on and they look amazing. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be buying the rear pieces in the future to finish out the whole look. So I hope you guys like that little this little voiceover install, and I'll see you in the next one.
Didn't even get to bronze.